it's going to get loud and flamey.
Yeah, I think we can do it.
That's what that will eventually look like. Yeah, I blew it up before. I hit limited too much.
Don't touch it.
It's your car, you can do whatever you want with it.
A little bit of that Land Rover waving. This actually came out of the factory imperfect. Every Land Rover panel is slightly different. Go.
Happy?
Sounds good.
Well, it's still very satisfying to know that they can still be as reliable as when they were new.
I mean, you must have
Done a few. Yeah, well, I started a long time ago.